Hey, hello guys, my name is Jimmy and today I'm going to show you the unboxing for the Bash Bunny, a pen testing tool from our friends Hack5. First and first, let's open the box where it came. Okay, let's open it. Okay, it's quite hard for me to open and do the unboxing with just one hand. And here we have the first things, the bandanas. If you place an order over $20, you automatically gonna be able to add 2 bandanas to your cart, and you don't have to pay for them. This is kind of promotion they have at the moment. I don't know if by the moment you're watching this video, the promotion is gonna be able to opt to, but at this time, you actually are able to place the order. With every single order you place over $20, you can opt for having 2 of them. Here we have the Bash Bunny, the box. We have the bill. Let's see what else is in the box. It seems like nothing else is in the box. Okay, let's put this away. Okay, let's put the bandanas here. And here we have the Bash Bunny. You see it's open because I don't live in the United States, and for the custom department and the company that is in charge to bring my package to my country, they actually need to check it out. They actually need to open the package in order to see what's in there. Here is the Bash Bunny. I thought it was gonna come with at least a Bash Bunny sticker or a Hack5 sticker, but maybe it got lost. I don't know if it came with maybe in the travel when it came when they were when they were bringing my Bash Bunny to my country. Maybe it got lost in there. But here we have the getting started card. Okay, let's see, getting started card. And in this side you have the statement of condition. It's very important for you to read this card, just in case. I'm gonna read it as soon as I finish the video. Let's put it here. And here we have the most important thing, the main thing that we were waiting for, the Bash Bunny. Let's get it out. Let's get closer. And here you see, here we have the LED. Here, I don't know if you can see it. Let me see. Okay, here we have the LED. And here we have the trigger. In the trigger we have 3 modes. Arming mode, the one that is closest to the USB device, USB part. The one that is in the center is for switch 1. And the one that is furthest to the USB male part is the switch 2. Okay, what is this for? Arming mode is for you to put or copy or write the payloads you are gonna use. You can in arming mode copy payloads to the switch 1 and switch 2. You know, we can have different payloads in every single switch. Here we have, it's pretty small. Almost, maybe nobody's gonna know what is this for. At least we already know what is this for. But if you are planning to do a pen testing, of course, legally, you can get in jail for doing pen testing illegally. Always try to do your things legal. If you're trying to do this, they maybe not gonna know what is this for. Of course we know, because we are trying to be ethical hackers. I have a memory here for you to compare how small it is. I have a very memory. This is the same size that the rubber ducky is. I don't have a rubber ducky yet. I'm thinking I'm gonna order it just for me to know how it is. It's pretty small, the Bash Bunny. You see it? Well, I think this was it. If you wanna buy the Bash Bunny, I'm gonna leave the link in the description from Hack5 shop, and you just can see their products, and they also have more products, great products like the pineapple, yeah, the Pineapple, Wi-Fi Pineapple Sir. They have the Land Total. They have a great pen testing tools. You can check it out in there. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna be uploading more videos about the Bash Bunny, playing with it. And thank you so much once again for watching the video. My name is Jimmy. Like the video if you enjoy it, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.